Hey y'all, it's Cam. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. Today we're going to be doing a little clean with me. Just a little cleaning motivation and get you guys up and going. I know sometimes I need a little kick to get things going for real. So today we're going to do just that. Y'all, it got real in my room this weekend, okay? So I just had to get it together. So before we get started, I want to show you guys exactly what's been going on. So I've been shooting a lot of content, doing some fashion videos, also some lifestyle, skincare. I've been getting a lot of packages, so my room is just really feeling it. I'm also packing for a few vacations, and yeah, this is just what it's looking like. So we're gonna get together today. This is my favorite mistake. So I'm starting by just kind of putting things where they belong, getting the clothes up, moving things around, putting some more things where they should be. All my purses I'm putting in my closet, and I'll just put them up exactly a little later. So I had all kinds of stuff just everywhere, y'all. When I'm recording videos, things just get thrown all over the place. So I'm picking up all these papers, putting everything where they belong, and then I'm going to start just kind of sorting out my clothes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over even when you're gone. The feeling just grows stronger. She'll leave it alone, but you're still getting. So as y'all can see, I had some packages, so I'm just getting all the packaging paper into one bag, and I just kind of throw all that away at once. Also, you're gonna see me throwing stuff on my chair. This is where I put everything that I'm packing for my trips. I just throw them on my big chair in the corner, and that's where all that stuff goes, so that when I'm packing, I know exactly where everything is. Then I'm just going ahead and folding some things that just got thrown around and putting them away, and also just kind of sorting out my dirty clothes. Are you coming soon to me? I'm getting impatient. Oh, look at what you do to me. Our secret's safe, so you're my favorite mistake. That's why we gotta keep it on the low. Got a home, but she don't need to know what's going on. It won't be on for long. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Now that all the clothes are taken care of, we're going to take care of this bed. So I'm going to go ahead and clean my sheets, change out all my bedding, and just get everything nice and fresh. So I just pull off my comforters, pull off my sheets, my pillowcases, everything, and I'm going to go ahead and throw those in the washing machine.
That I don't see the beauty of a mama on inside. Curled up with my head on your chest is the best remedy for the pain and the stress of the.
So after I take all my bedding off, I like to go in and spray down my mattress. I like to use the Febreze fabric spray. This one is the Febreze Untouchables, and I think the color something happiness. I don't know. I'm going to tag it down below for y'all. I'm also going to link my mattress and my furniture, because I'm sure somebody was going to ask about it. But yeah, I'm going to link all that down below. But yeah, I always do this just to get a really fresh start. I feel like it's great to have your mattress just air out for a little while. So while my sheets and everything are washing, I like to spray my mattress down and let it just air out.
You had me a hello, oh no, but that don't make you happy. Just tell me to let go, cause right now all you got is bills on your mind.
So my dresser is another area that just gets really cluttered throughout the week, just because it's just the first thing I see when I walk into the door, so everything just kind of goes here. I also have my flowers up here, and the leaves started to dry and drop onto my dresser. It looks like I have some crumbs on there, but it's not. It's just the leaves from my flower, or the petals from my flowers. So I'm just going to go ahead and clean that off, move everything around, get it where it's supposed to be, and just get a nice fresh start.
Beautiful smile, you got it, but every once in a while I get those beautiful eyes. Don't break my heart, tell me beautiful lies. Oh no, I believe.
So now that I've moved everything around, I'm going in and cleaning with my all-purpose cleaner by Everspring. I get this from Target. I just spray this all over. I use this on everything. It's literally great for all purposes. So I put it on my furniture. I use it on everything. So I'm just wiping that down with the rag and moving things around, getting everything really nice and clean. So y'all, somebody had a flower delivery, so you already know what that means. I'm about to put my bouquet together. So today we are doing some white roses, and y'all, I think white roses are my favorite. They're just so pretty. Like, the white vibe is already my thing, but now they're in roses, like, it's just a win-win. So I did some water up to the rim here on my vase, and then I put some ice in it. And we're gonna go ahead and just kind of cut my flowers down. I wanted to do them really short and like full so that they fit the vase really good. So I went ahead and cut them down to the length that I wanted, added my flower food, and just pulled the leaves off. And y'all, they came out so cute. You have to see. Y'all, look how perfect this came out. I thought it was so cute. I even added some of the like filler flowers. I'm not even gonna lie and try to tell y'all what kind of flowers these are because I have no clue. I think the white ones are baby's breath, but I could be wrong. But yeah, I just picked up all of this and just kind of started cleaning up the flower mess, and then just got back to finishing the bedroom. So the next thing that we had to do was sweep up, especially after doing my flowers. I just had little stuff on the floor that I wanted to get up before I finished. So I did that. And then I went in and I vacuumed my rug, which was very much needed because I had like all kind of little tags and stuff from trying on clothes in the rug. So I went ahead and vacuumed that up, and everything came up really, really good.
You say nothing's wrong at all, baby. I say that we falling off lately. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done fighting. In your heart, you keep trying. The truth is not hiding. That's just the way we are. But you can say you love me when it's like that.
So after after vacuuming, I go ahead and again with my Febreze, and I'm spraying down my rug just to give it again just a fresh scent after cleaning it. So now it's time to get these clothes washed. I'm throwing all the clothes into the washing machine. I sorted the things out and I'm just throwing them in there. I'm gonna go ahead and get that started so that by the time I'm done, everything should be finished.
You do something to make me smile, and it's hard for me to try to doubt this feeling. Yeah, we could just walk away. Yeah, we could just stay away. The things I love about you, I can't change. No, 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 no. In my mind, I'm done fighting. In your heart, you keep trying. And the truth we done hiding, that's just the way we are. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new,
I love nothing more than the smell of fresh bedding. Oh my god, it smells so good. So I'm going ahead and just making my bed, getting everything nice and tidy. The best feeling in the world is hopping into a freshly made bed. Amazing.
maybe we can go like that. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just all be mad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just felt like that. Yeah, maybe we just felt like that.
So now that I've made my bed up all cute and stuff, now we're going to go ahead and just fold the rest of the clothes that I had laying around. So here are the clothes that I am packing for my trip. I just folded that up real good. I'm going to put that in my suitcase. And then I had some clothes that I got out of the dryer that needed to be put up. This is the little organizer that I use for the top drawer. Just all like my small things I use in those little cubbies. I just roll them up real cute and it helps with the organization. So yeah, I'm just going ahead and folding and put this stuff in my drawers.
The time on a rewind, help me understand. Can you tell me now why you made a war that we're fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns. Run around, run away as the rebel comes out. Then you call on me. When you call me, I come. But then you go again with your deaf ears. Open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from a life of the hopeless? Now yeah, you want your begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying to morning. Running away to the land of discovery. Running away from the suffering, I'm gone, yeah. Running away from the darkness, I'm out, yeah, yeah. I had done all the limits, going way beyond the noise.
So last thing I did was just wipe down my mirror and got it really clean with some Windex. And that's pretty much it, y'all. This was all I did to clean my room. I hope this motivated you to get some cleaning done. I know sometimes it can be rough, trust me, I know. So this should have helped you. I hope it did. I'm definitely gonna be watching this when I need a little motivation. But yeah, all of the links that I can think of will be down below in the description box. If there's anything that I missed, make sure you let me know in the comment section. And I hope to see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.